this is gold. Today is Friday and this is the end of a week, and this is the weekly charts. As you can see what gold did for this week, it gave us this huge week, showing us that there is still buyers, and then you can see the long sell as well. So let's go to the daily time frame. You can see sales. This day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. All through like 4 days it was just selling. Then on the 3rd day you can see buys. So if we go to the 4 hours, we'll best define what the chart says. So looking at gold currently, I already marked out some zone I'm watching out for, but let me explain why I'm watching those zones. So looking at gold on the 4 hours, you can see from here there's been a downtrend, and also there are buyers in between. But looking at the overall trend, you can see it's bearish though. And now this is a liquidity zone. Yeah, this is a very huge liquidity zone which I want to see sellers take off. And why I want to see sellers take off this zone is because, one, there is like a consolidation, too many consolidation around here, and price has been rejecting the sell zone as well. So because for last week I was expecting price to tap in this particular zone here and sell, but you can see what it did. It did liquidity as well. It took out liquidity around this area and then did liquidity stop ons for both buyers and sellers, because there are traders who, when it gets to this point, they will wait for retest, and when the retest, they will take that buy. Imagine you taking your buy around this area here and then price taking you off hugely like this. And as well, sellers as well who wants to sell around here and then it took them off, they will still come back to want to sell, and then you still take them out. So yeah, there is a whole lot of liquidity around all of this. So for next week, what I'll be expecting is for price to take off this particular low. Yeah, for price to take off this particular low, and then I'm expecting a buy around here. Why am I expecting a buy around here? I'm expecting a buy because I feel like this is a order block. You know what other blocks are, where we're expecting a buy or a sell to take off from. So I'm expecting a buy around this zone, because immediately price take off this, it's going to like fairly or engineer price to buy. Let me put it that way. So for next week, I'll be buying. This is 4 hours time frame. Let's move down to the whole. Let's go to 1 hour. See what 1 hour looks like. You can see. So next week price should at least do something like this. For a sell, I'm taking sell, then take off this zone like this. For this zone take off, watch out for consolidation, how price react around that area. Then expect price when it tap here, it's just boom, buy. At least my TP will be somewhere here. Yep, that will be my TP. So for next week, be taking in buys. Then let's go to smaller time frame to refine our entry, because I want to put in my entry zone. Mistake. You can see this is where I'm going to be buying from though. Then my stop loss should be somewhere around here. This is where my stop loss will be. So let's go back to here. Taking entry. Yeah. Then I'll stop loss here. This is about 1:10, right? Or 1:12. So let's see what next week holds on gold. If it doesn't happen, we'll come back and look at the chart as well. This is what we call forward testing.